Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann, and on this channel we talk about business, entrepreneurship, finance and real estate. Today I have a lovely unit in the Portmore area on sale. It's close to several beaches, gas stations, 2 shopping centers, and also a potential Price Mart which will be opening in April. So here I'm on Elsha Road where I'm going to take the left, but it would be your right if you're coming into Portmore, and it's actually not far from the main road. It's about 2 more turns and then you're there. So the property is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom property. Here is the exterior. As you can see, there is a lovely driveway for you to park in, and also there's lots and lots of room for renovation. You have your veranda area, which is here at the front, which I'm going to show you, and I'm going to turn the different angles so that you can have an idea of how large it is, and that takes you directly into the living room space. Now here's what the space is looking like. So all bedrooms are on the right hand side, and on the left hand side that is your kitchen area, which I will show you in a bit. In the meantime, let's check out bedroom number 1. So bedroom number 1 has a closet inside, and I believe 2 windows which you can expand, because as you see there's lots of space on the wall to expand both windows. There is storage overhead the closet as well. And of course, if you want to increase the closet height, you can just gut the structure that is there now and actually raise the ceiling of the closet so that you can have more closet space. So let's take one last look at the bedroom, and then we're going to check out the bathroom, which is in between both bedrooms. So this is the bathroom from the exterior. Personally, I would expand it a little bit, but it's really up to you. There's a lot of customization available with this unit, which oddly enough is why I prefer units like these, because usually with ready-made houses you kind of have to go with the flow, but with a property like this you can definitely customize. This is bedroom number 2, similar size to bedroom number 1. I think however though this bedroom has 1 window, but it also has a closet as well, which again I'm suggesting that you can gut the front and raise the ceiling of the closet, or just change the doors, electrical sockets, all of that is available. And then once you step out of the bedroom, which you would have to pass the bathroom to exit, then you have your kitchen area, which is on the other side of the house. So this is what the living room space is looking like, and then once you turn your attention to the right, here is your kitchen area. Now this wall here, honestly, I would take it out. I think it would open up the floor plan a lot better, and it would also give you a lot more kitchen space. At the moment, you have that counter area right there that you see. I think they had the refrigerator there and probably the stove in this corner here. But again, I'm suggesting, guys, I would remove the wall. I think an open floor plan is best for a unit like this. It's a lot more breathable and it would definitely be a lot more spacious. You have an additional door that would bring you to the back. Well, sort of the front of the unit, but I would call it to the back because I'm pretty sure your guests will not be walking there. And that is your wash area. Now, for this part of the house, I'm suggesting knocking out the right side of your wall or your house and enclosing the entire structure, and then making this into a laundry room. But really it's up to the buyer. So if you're watching this and you're interested in a property like this, go ahead and contact the real estate agent. His name is Mr. Paul Morrison. I'm going to put his information on the screen and also the description box below. Now back into the front yard, there's also space at the side of this unit, not just a driveway area, where maybe you can either again extend the property or have some seating arrangements for you to hang outdoors. So that is it for the tour, guys. Let me know your thoughts about the house. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know if you would buy it for the price that is listed at, and also tell me your favorite parts of the tour. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you guys next week.